welcome to another week here with Arbor Season. This series is building a campground from scratch. Today is really exciting because our neighbor Daniel is coming back. In fact, that's him pulling up right now. He's gonna look at our RV spot that we're building. He's gonna tell us what we need to know about building a retaining wall because the RV spot is on a slant. So he's gonna help us figure out the best way to do this. All right, I got my neighbor here, Daniel, and look how awesome he is. This is so great. What are the chances that I would move next door to someone that knows what they're doing? I'm taking him to the RV spot now, and we're gonna look at the area we're trying to level out, and it's a lot to level out. I have some thoughts, and I'm sure he'll have better ones. We're back here on the property, and first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna start a fire so Simeon can make some coffee. He needs some coffee real bad. I'm gonna put some leaves in here, get this thing fired up, and then we're gonna spend the rest of the day and clear out that one spot for the RV spot. By the way, there's a little surprise at the end of this video because I think we may be changing our direction on something here.
With the feeling pass, would you find out with me?
All I'm doing today is just clearing out the rest of this. There's lots of broken down trees here. I just got to cut up a little bit and move over into this wheelbarrow, take it to the fire, and then I'm gonna take the leaf blower, get rid of all the leaves, and this whole area will be all cleared.
For hope or a mumble, it's not for me to decide. If I should be the one by your side, and hope we know when it's better to say goodbye. You ever wonder if we know what's best for one another? I'm just another project.
All right, ladies. He's single.
We're both fixer-uppers.
And he's strong.
Just
Yeah!
waiting to crumble.
We did it. It is all done. We cleared out this whole entire area. It's gonna look really awesome. So this week's video is complete, but we're kind of making some differences here because we found out how much it's going to cost to put an RV port and slab and concrete and all that kind of stuff. And we were quoted some crazy amounts, like $10,000 around that area, which over time I think we would love to do. We have other things to focus on first, like building our house, and we want to pay that off too. We're thinking right now of building a really big deck in that area. And then our goal is to be able to put like a glamping tent on it with some really cool off-grid stuff. We'll even put a couch and a bed and a fire pit outside with some chairs. And we're trying to keep that within the $3,000 range, I think, per site. And so if we can get about 15 of those throughout the property at least, I think that would be super cool. Even though this video says building an RV site from scratch part 2, we're actually going to change our direction based on our circumstances. And that's the thing I really love about this project is there's no rush. We're really just winging it and we're loving every bit of it. A lot of people will have a specific direction, stick with it, follow it through. But because we have no experience and we're just trying to do this on our own, mainly just for fun, and honestly making these videos, I think would just be really engaging. And for a lot of other people that don't have experience that maybe want to follow follow along to learn from our mistakes. I think that's really exciting in itself. Yeah, we're gonna be changing our direction here a lot, I imagine, and this is just one of those times that we're doing that. We're going to be creating decks throughout the property, and we're going to be putting tents on them, and so they're going to be glamping sites instead of RV sites for now. Now, with our giant road we're building throughout our property, there's going to be lots of level spots for people to come and park their rigs. So that's still a possibility and still an option if people come here with rigs. But our goal right now will be off-grid camping on this property. So we'll see if that changes, where that goes, but that's our current plan.